Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be walking through how you could download the Ollama app and run models locally. The issue that I was facing on Windows 11 is that when you try to start the Ollama app using your command terminal, for some reason there are like two versions of the app downloaded, because of which it's like uh, there's a certain port number which tries to listen to both the processor, and because there are like two apps trying to run, two processes are actually running in the task manager. Because of that, it it kind of crashes and it doesn't really work. So in this video I'll be resolving that issue. I think you could do it better. Oh, okay. So without any further ado, let's get started. uh yeah, so for the first step you need to navigate to Ollama's download page and then hit this download button. After you're done, when you hit it, you'll see this execution file getting downloaded, installed on your laptop. And once it's done, you could click on this icon and then you click on this setup application. Once you click on that, it will navigate, open up this page. Once this page is open, it's going to take a while for it to install Ulama on your computer, so maybe just grab some water until it's done. Okay, so while Ulama is being installed, I wanted you guys to know that I'm planning to create a series of projects, like a projects playlist. So my goal is to publish like 25 videos, meaning like 25 projects related to RAG, agents, deep learning, machine learning, all projects related to generative AI, related to building a career in generative AI. Um, I'm planning to publish 25 videos this year in 2025, and I wanted to know if you guys are interested in it. Maybe you could let me know in the comments. Uh, yeah, and maybe even part two of my previous video, which was about why I moved away from aerospace engineering and moved into uh, generative AI, and yeah, just let me know. That's all. That's from my side. I think it's almost done. Uh, maybe okay. So for this video, I'll be running this model, DeepSeek R1, 7 billion parameter DeepSeek, 7 billion parameters, and it's gonna take up like around approximately 4.7 GB. I don't recommend I mean, I think I can try 14 GB, but for my because I have enough RAM for that. But I think I'm just gonna stick to the standard 7 billion RAM. Uh, Apart from that, uh, it's advised if you don't try all these. It's just too huge. Most of you don't. I don't think has got a lot of RAM to actually run larger models, and the 7 billion param actually does a pretty good job. It also has thinking ability, the reasoning ability, which most other models don't. Most open source models don't have. So I would recommend, if you want to build some projects, then you could start with Ollama DeepSeek. This is like the best place to start, in my opinion. I've tried different models, and I think DeepSeek is pretty good at this. It's not multimodal, but it has search capabilities, so I think it's good. We could use it. So now let's open command prompt, because you can't open Ollama app directly. You need to use some sort of a terminal, bash or something. Uh, so we'll run this as administrator, and then we try start. Okay, so there, if you want to see what commands you actually can run using Ollama, you could just type Ollama help, and you'll see this list of the commands that you can run. For now, we just want to start Ollama. So for that purpose, we're just gonna type Ollama serve. As you can see, there's this issue that I was talking about. That if you open the task manager, okay, I'll show you what I mean exactly mean. uh, since we actually started Ollama, if we open the task manager and see, you can see there are two apps of the same app that are running in the background. So in order to prevent this, what we're going to do is for the first step is to actually end both these tasks. Yeah. So once that's done, you could you need to go to File Explorer. Okay. Once you're in File Explorer, you go to your root use, your user directory, and then try to look for this file called dot. Actually, sorry. This is where your Ollama files, your models actually get stored. After you actually, start pulling models, this is where you'll actually see all your model files. But for now, we are not looking into that. We are gonna hold on. We are actually gonna navigate to this folder called app data. The problem is that Windows by default doesn't let hides certain folders. So the way to unhide it is to click on Views tab, and then you go to navigate to this tab, and then you click on unhide, just so that you could see the hidden items. So app data is an hidden item. Then you go to this folder, click on local, and then you go to programs. Then you go to and then you find this Ollama folder. You can see there are two Ollama apps, two Ollama applications that will run as whenever you start Ollama. So the workaround is to delete this one. Don't delete the other one, because then it will because the thing is, the name due to the name difference, when you serve Ollama, it's gonna use this file. But after you delete one of them, if you delete one of these, then just the main application file will actually run. That's what we want. So we delete this, and then we clear our screen for now, and then we try Llama serve again. As you can see, it works. The only issue was that there were two processes that were running. And now what we can do is, since you can't type anything in command prompt, so what you can do is just use the command Control C, and then you could just start typing again. So now we want to pull DeepSeek, DeepSeek R1. You can even copy it from here. Sorry, when it's running, you need to type run, but when you're pulling the model, actually it could work either ways, but just what technically we're trying to pull first. So first we're gonna pull Ollama DeepSeek. Oh, that's weird. Okay, sorry. After we are done, after after we have actually started Ollama, go to trash, and restore that file again. Restore it. Sorry, restore this one. Restore this file, and uh, now you could try Ollama pull DeepSeek R1. Uh, yeah, after you have restored it from the recycle bin, you'll finally be able to pull the model, because you need the other application version. Let me show. See, you can see this app version has been restored, and we need this version again for actually pulling the model. Well, this app version is actually meant to start Ollama, and this app version is meant to pull models. So this is like a high level overview of of what Ollama is and how it's used. Uh, for those who are starters, who don't know why, or you just blindly, or I wouldn't say blindly, but you're just trying to follow through other people, like by just downloading Ollama and all. What's the purpose? Is that you don't have to pay for API pricing. Like you have to pay for a million tokens. OpenAI has certain amount. They charge you a certain amount, because you're not Immortal. It is not on your system. It's not on your local system. It's from their what was say they uh you use something called API to actually connect to them, to OpenAI, so that you could use their model in exchange for a fee. But with Ollama, you can now download all the open source models and just run it. You don't have to worry about API. It's going to reduce the latency errors and all the the time the time taken to actually send a request and then get receive a response. All that is massively cut down. All the time is massively cut down, and you're just down to the simple open source model that you can run. So for those who did not know what is the point behind this open source models and Ollama, this segment was for you guys. So it's almost done, just 22 seconds. So for my 25 projects I was talking about, uh, the first product will be RAG, and I'll be using the same Ollama DeepSeek R1 model. So yeah, just stay tuned and watch out for that video soon. And let me know what are you guys really interested in, the 25 videos playlist series kind of thing. And now there's just a few more files that are being pulled, and it's almost done. Okay. After it's done, you'll see that it'll actually pop up that it was successful, and it's pulled. So now what we can do is run DeepSeek. So now we're gonna start running. Okay, why is this taking so long? Okay, yeah. So you can let's ask ChatGPT what questions to ask, uh, such as prompts to test a LLM. Yeah, I guess we could start with this. Explain quantum mechanics in simple terms. Okay, explain quantum mechanics in simple terms. So now it's thinking, because it's a reasoning model, and uh, yeah, I think it's thinking too much, or is it? Wow, it's actually talking about entanglement, Bell's theorem, and wow, it's literally trying to summarize everything about quantum mechanics. Wow. Okay. So yeah, I think it's doing a pretty good job. If you want, you can stop it. I also want you to show how its search capabilities. Uh, what we can search is search for Nvidia's stock price. I'm not sure if it's actually going to search it. It's still thinking. Yeah, I think now it's yeah. Wait, what? Uh, what the heck? Okay, I'm not sure why it's not able to search. Uh, okay, I'm not too sure why it's not able to search. So I guess this is it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe, guys, and uh, let me know if you guys want the 25 project series. I'll be If you do, and then I'll upload a video just to walk you through all the 25 projects that I'm talking about, and then subsequently I'll start uploading all those videos this by the end of this year, hopefully. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.